To find the missing angles, that's angle A, angle C, and angle D. What we should notice right away is that we have an isosceles trapezoid here. We have one pair of parallel sides, and then it's isosceles because we have two sides equal to each other. If you remember learning about isosceles trapezoids, I would Google it right now. I would stop the video, Google isosceles trapezoid, and you're going to learn a lot of things about it. One of the things you'll learn is that these angles right next to each other are going to be equal. Alright, so that means this angle right here is going to be 115 degrees. Those two angles next to each other are equal. Now, clearly, that does not mean that this angle and this angle are the same, right? Those don't look the same. This one is clearly obtuse, and this one is acute. So the question is, what's the relationship between this 115 degree angle and this angle down here? Well, if you remember, we have parallel lines, and we're talking about same side interior angles there. And if you remember, same side interior are supplementary. So what I'm saying is these two angles here have to add up to 180. And so if you take 115 away from 180, you're left with 65 degrees. And so this angle over here must also be 65 degrees because, again, the angles that are across from each other here, you know, the ones, I hate to say it so simply, but the ones that look congruent in an isosceles trapezoid are congruent, and then the ones across this way are supplementary, meaning they add up to 180.